What is the role of mentorship in terms of sort of giving you a feedback on where you stand currently and what do you need to do differently in the coming tests? What is the role that mentorship played that way, like in in terms of personalized feedback that on the basis of copies that you were writing?
Okay, I think it really made all the difference because, like I said, I did not have any mentor per se. Because, like all candidates, I also used to think that GS4 is really a test of how honest I am, and I would like to keep it simple, and it's just like write whatever comes to my mind and look at the previous year questions, probably check out the synopsis on Google, and that's about it. But when I had a mentor like yourself this time, you really read each and every answer, and you gave me very critical feedback, which was not, and even though it was just 10 days before the exam, it was not you did not sugarcoat it in the sense that you did not say that, oh, Shubhika, you're going to do really well, because that's the kind of feedback that we get when we just attempt any test series. And just before the exams, they really want to keep our, momentum going, and they don't
Yeah.
want us to feel bad. So they give a positive feedback, which is right. But a mentor will give you critical feedback and will tell you that, you have not hit the nail, like you have not understood the question. So a lot of times, especially for section A, you had told me that, Shobhika, I don't think you understood the question. The question was not, the keyword was not that what you were focusing on. You have just written a conventional definition and you've written some examples. So a mentor will tell you कि question एक बार पढ़िए, फिर दूसरी बार भी पढ़िए, and really write what is asked. Don't just write what you know.